In this video, I'll show you how to check the name of your monitor on a Windows 11 PC. This can be useful if you want to confirm the exact model of your display, especially if you no longer have the original box or documentation. Let's get started. First, open Settings. The easiest way to do this is to click the Start menu, type Settings, and then open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, click on System in the left-hand menu if you're not already there. Next, select Display. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Display. On this page, you will see detailed information about your display, including the name and model of your monitor. You may also see additional details such as the refresh rate, resolution, and connection information. And that's how you check the name of your monitor on a Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.